All right, so just when you think the leaks have slowed down, here we go again. We've been hearing a lot about the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra, and honestly, at this point, it feels like the phone has already launched in the rumor world. Specs, design tweaks, performance upgrades, all of that has been floating around. But there was still one little mystery left: the front camera. Well, not anymore. A new leak from Ice Universe just dropped, and it gives us a much clearer picture of what's happening on the selfie side. According to them, the S26 Ultra is using a 12-megapixel Sony sensor, specifically a 1/3 0.2-inch sensor with 1.12 micron pixels and an 85-degree field of view. Now, if that sounds familiar, it's because it kind of is. Those specs are almost identical to what we've already seen on the S25 Ultra. Same resolution, same sensor size, same pixel size. The only real difference here appears to be the field of view, which is expected to be slightly wider this time around. So maybe you'll fit more friends into your group selfies, or more background, or more chaos. Depends on your life, I guess. What's interesting though is that the leak doesn't mention dual pixel autofocus. The current model has it, and it's actually pretty solid for keeping selfies sharp. Now, just because it wasn't mentioned doesn't mean it's gone. But when something isn't highlighted, it does make you raise an eyebrow. And here's where things get a little underwhelming. This would mean Samsung is potentially using the same selfie hardware for the 4th year in a row. Same basic setup, same resolution, minimal change, and in the flagship world, standing still is basically moving backwards, especially when you look at what Apple has been doing lately. They've been quietly refining their front cameras, improving processing, and pushing better video features. The competition isn't sleeping. And that's the real question here. If you're charging premium prices, maybe even higher than before, shouldn't we be seeing more meaningful upgrades? Because a slightly wider field of view isn't exactly headline material. Now, don't get me wrong. Samsung usually nails processing. Their software does a lot of heavy lifting, and a 12-megapixel sensor can absolutely deliver great results if tuned properly. But at this level, people expect evolution, not copy-paste. So here's what I want to know. Are you okay with Samsung playing it safe on the selfie camera if the rest of the phone delivers? Or does this feel like one corner they've ignored for too long? Drop your thoughts below. I read way more comments than you think. And if this is just the beginning of the S26 Ultra leaks, things are about to get very interesting. So make sure you're ready for what's coming next.